Hey guys, this is Bravo here, and I hope you enjoyed this solo mission by Bravo myself to a gas station what was abandoned and also an automotive mechanic place out in the country of Rosevine. Enjoy. Hey guys, so we're in Rosevine. This is a gas station where I used to go actually when I was younger, way back in the day. Me and my family used to come here. I used to come and get the candy cigarettes and stuff back in the day. The doors are here are already bolted. As you can see, there's bolts on there, and it's plywood up pretty much. Over here is a bunch of tires, signs. It looks like a couple parts, a measurement. I don't know why, since it was a mechanic shop. But there's a lot of tires. I'm not gonna go fully in here because I'm wearing shorts. It's pretty hot, so look around in there. Yeah, pretty much. Pretty junky in here. Alright, well, we're gonna head on this way. Pretty old here. Oh wow, toilet outside. I think that's some sort of pump or something. I'm not 100%. Over here is the same, but just the back, you know, with all the junk and the tires and all that. We're gonna go around here. Pretty rusted old building. Now we're gonna go to the shop. This is the mechanic shop. That's the little shed shop, I guess you'd call it. And I'm gonna start throwing this around the country, as you see. I'm gonna start throwing some pictures up and let y'all enjoy some of these pictures, what the shop would look like. Alright guys, we're gonna go over here. There's a hubcap in the mirror. There you see it right there. We'll go over here. Those windows look like it has wood on it. I'm gonna go back over here. I'm gonna go back in this general area on this side where that's kind of missed out, so let's go back there. We're gonna go back over here, check the I'm gonna see if this thing even opens. Let's go double check. No. Not even gonna work. Okay. Look over here. Logs, I guess, of the parking place, sewage. That's basic porta potty. Pipes, AC, yeah, all of them jacked up. It's all boarded up. we're going to go back over here. I want to check out this thing one more time. See what it looks like. Yeah, looks like an AC pump or something back in the day or whatever. I want to 100% for sure. If y'all know, put it down in the comments. Let me know what the heck this is. So, guys, I hope y'all really enjoyed this. Whoop, just tripped. Yeah, if y'all really enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, ring that bell. This mission is out, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Solo mission by Bravo myself.